Hi there! We're going to be taking a look at the Sex on the Beach cocktail in this video. For this drink, we'll be building it in our glass. We have a chilled chalice glass here. The Sex on the Beach dates back to the 80s and is a quintessential example of a cocktail from that time period. To make it, first we'll add our liquor, a ½ ounce each of vodka, peach schnapps, and Riviera melon liqueur. Once we've measured those out and poured them into the glass, we'll fill to the top with our ice, before moving on to our non-alcoholic ingredients. We'll be topping with equal parts of cranberry and orange juice, trying to direct it down the sides of the glass rather than directly over the ice to prevent any unnecessary dilution. Next, we'll reach for our bar spoon and give it a little stir, just to mix it up, before adding straws, then capping with a little bit of crushed ice, just for appearances. And finally, garnish with a prepared flag of orange and cherry. As always, make sure you clean up your bar top. And this is our Sex on the Beach.